In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit video in Canva step by step. If you want to create a polished video ad, a clean social media reel, or a professional presentation, Canva makes the process much easier than many traditional editing tools. You do not need advanced editing experience to get good results here. Canva gives you a built-in timeline editor, simple clip trimming tools, transitions, text options, and audio controls all inside your browser. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up your project, bring in your footage, edit your clips, add finishing touches, and export your final video. To begin, start from the Canva homepage and open the right kind of project. This matters because choosing the correct video format from the start helps your content fit properly on screen and avoids awkward black bars or poor sizing later on. Under the main search area, click the video option. Then choose Video 16 by 9 if you're creating a standard landscape video or mobile video if your project is meant for a vertical format. That opens a blank video canvas and gives you a clean workspace to edit in. Once your project is open, the next step is to bring in your media. On the left side of the screen, click Uploads, then select Upload Files. From there, choose the video clips and other assets you want to use from your computer. Canva will begin uploading them into your library. Give it a moment and watch for the upload progress so you know everything is ready before you start editing. Now it's time to arrange your footage and edit your clips on the timeline. Drag your main video from the Uploads panel onto the canvas. As soon as you do, Canva places it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. To remove mistakes, pauses, or unwanted sections, move the playhead to the exact point where you want to cut. Then right-click the clip and choose Split Page. This separates the clip into two parts, making it easy to delete the section you no longer need. This is one of the most useful tools for tightening your pacing and making your video feel more professional. After that, you can improve the flow of your video by adding transitions and text. Hover between two clips on the timeline and click Add Transition. Then choose a style like dissolve, match and move, or slide, depending on the look you want. For titles, open the text tab on the left, add a heading to your canvas, and type in your message. Keep your title short and clear so it stays easy to read on screen, and choose a clean font that matches your style. Finally, review your audio and export the finished video. Go to the Elements section, search for background music, and drag it onto the audio track beneath your video. Lower the volume so it supports your visuals without overpowering anything important. Then press play and watch the full project from start to finish to make sure everything looks and sounds right. When you're happy with it, click Share in the top right corner. Choose Download, set the file type to MP4 video, select 1080p or higher if needed, and click Download. And that's it. You've now edited a video in Canva from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.